Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of computer graphics. In this video, we'll learn how to solve a numerical of scan converting circles. So let's begin. So let's suppose we are given the radius of the circle as 5 and the center of the circle is the origin, and we have to plot this circle. So let's see how we will do it. So this is our initial xi, these are our yi's, this is the value of d, then these are the next plotted pixels. So first we will calculate the value of d start. So d start is, d is 1 minus r. So d is 1 minus 5, which comes to be minus 4. Now we have already seen in the algorithm, when the value of d is less than 0, then in that case we choose the east pixel. And when we choose the east pixel, the value of x is incremented and y remains same. So our first pixel is, now we know that we are starting, this is center 0, 0, and we are starting from this point, and this point is 0, 5. So the first pixel is 0, 5. The value of d initial comes out to be minus 4, which is less than 0. And if the value of d is less than 0, then in that case we choose the east pixel. So for each pixel, the value of x is incremented and y is same. So value of x is incremented as 1 and the value of y remains same, that is 5. Now we will calculate the value of our d when we are choosing the east pixel. So how we calculate the value of d in that case? The value of d in that case comes out to be original d, which is minus 4, plus twice of xi plus 3. So twice of xi is 0. So twice of xi is 0 only, plus 3, which comes out to be minus 1. So the next value of x is, now this is 1, this is 5. The value of d comes out to be minus 1 in this case, which is again less than 0, and again we choose the east pixel. So value of x is incremented and y remains same. Now this is 2, this is 5. This is our initial point x0, y0, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now since the value of d was less than 0, then we calculate the east value. So east value is calculated by taking the last d, which is minus 1, plus twice of xi. So twice of xi, this value, 2 into 1, which is 2, plus 3. So this comes out to be 4. Now the value is greater than 0, and when the value is greater than 0, that means we choose the southeast pixel. So for choosing the southeast pixel, the value of x is incremented but y is decremented. So this is 3 and this is 4. x3, y3, value is 3, 4. Now according to the algorithm, we keep on continuing this unless the value of y becomes less than x. So far we know that the value of y, all these values of y are greater than the value of x. So we keep on continuing. The moment the value of y becomes less than x, we stop over there. That means we have crossed the second octant and we are moving towards the first octant. So now the value of d, since it was greater than 0, so we are choosing the northeast value. So for northeast, the value of d is calculated as d, original d, plus twice of xi minus yi plus 5. So this is 4 plus xi minus y is 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 comes out to be minus 3 plus 5. So this is 9 minus 6, which comes out to be again 3 greater than 0. So again we choose the northeast. Value of x is incremented and y is decremented. So now we can see the value of y has become less than x. So we stop over here. So these are the 4 points that we have plotted: 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 4. Now let's see how we will calculate the values or the pixel values in other octants or quadrants using the point of symmetry. So let's plot our circle. So we are given that the radius of the circle is 5. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So the first value is 0, 5 that we have started from here. This is 0, 5. The next value that we have calculated was 1, 5. So the next value is 1, 5, which is this value. The next value is 2, 5. This is 1, 5. The next value is 2, 5. One 5 is here, then 2, 5 is here. This is 2, 5. The next value is 3, 4. 3, 4 is this value. This is 3, 4. Then the next value is 4, 3. Next value is 4, 3. 4, 3 is this value. So now we can see till here until we have reached 3, 4. These are my not the first quadrant and the second octant. So if I bisect it like this, we have plotted the first quadrant of the circle using the point of symmetry. Now similarly, we can calculate the values of this fourth quadrant. So we know this point is 5, 0. Now we can calculate this value. This value will be, if this is 5, 1, then this will be 5 minus 1. Then 5, 2 का point क्या हो जाएगा इस fourth quadrant में आके? This will be 5 minus 2. 4, 3 का point क्या हो जाएगा? 4, 3 का point हो जाएगा 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, which is here. Then this 3, 4 will become 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is this value. Then this 2, 5 will become 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is here. 1, 5 will become 1 minus 5 here. And then this 0, 5 will become 0 minus 5, which is here. So this is the fourth quadrant of our circle. Similarly, we can calculate this third quadrant now. So this point was 1 minus 5. So here it will be minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5 is here. This point was 2 minus 5. So here it will be minus 2 minus 5. Here this point was 3 minus 4. So here it will be minus 3 minus 4, which is here. Then this point was 4 minus 3. So here it will be minus 4 minus 3. Then this point was 5 minus 2. So here it will be minus 5 minus 2. Then 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1. And it will be then minus 5, 0. So this is the third quadrant of our circle. Similarly, we can calculate the value of this second quadrant. And thus, using this point of symmetry, we have plotted our entire circle with radius 5 and center as the origin. So this is how we have to solve the numerical of scan converting circles. If you like this video, then do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.